So guys, if your after update um, your file data, photos, videos, notepad files is missing, so no worry, just right click first method, click to then theme, click to desktop icon, okay, and check recycle bin. Then you can see this is like recycle bin here. Otherwise you can also search here. This is your data. Which data you have to require, just right click and just click to restore. Okay, so it is old. You can see here the original locations download. So when you right click to restore, after that automatic to move to that old locations. Okay, thank you. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.